Ever wonder how the internet works? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's like this giant web that connects us all together, but have you ever stopped to think about how it actually does that? Well, let's start with the basics. Imagine you want to send a letter to your friend across the country. You write their address on the envelope, put a stamp on it, and drop it in the mailbox. The postman then picks it up and takes it to the post office, where it gets sorted and sent on a truck to its final destination. Okay, so how does that relate to the internet? Well, the internet is kind of like a virtual version of that process. Instead of a letter, you have data, like an email or a photo. And instead of an envelope, you have a packet of data. And instead of a postman, you have a router. But what the heck is a router? Well, it's a device that takes your data packet and sends it to its destination through a series of tubes called cables and wires. Think of it like a traffic cop, directing data packets to where they need to go. And all of this happens on a series of interconnected networks, kind of like a giant spider web. And at the center of that web are servers, which are basically super powerful computers that store and process all of the data that we access on the internet. So, when you send an email, it goes from your computer, to a router, to a server, and then to the person you're sending it to. And all of this happens in a matter of seconds, thanks to the speed of light and the power of the internet. Pretty cool, right? And there's still so much more to learn about how the internet works. But I hope this gave you a basic understanding of the process. So the next time someone asks you how the internet works, you can impress them with your newfound knowledge. Just don't try to explain it to your grandparents, they'll never understand.